Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showcasing the top 5 spooky mods for the fall season. First on the list is of course a mod that turns your world into basically autumn. With this mod installed, your world goes from looking like this to this. There's a new biome with beautiful trees, turkeys that you can kill, snails, jack-o'-lanterns, and much more. This is a must if you want to feel like you're really in the fall season. Next up we have a cute owls mod. It's not fall without some cute animals, and this mod brings exactly that into the table. There are cute baby owls as well as adult owls, and they look a little spooky at night. This is such a cute mod, and it makes it so the villagers have decorated their village to celebrate autumn and Halloween. There's stuff like scarecrows, garland, and Halloween outfits. Also, some villages have a new house made from a giant pumpkin. That's where you can find the new type of villager. To really enjoy the Halloween experience, put one of 3 Halloween costumes and go from door to door in the village at night ringing bells to get some candy. The Fairy Lights mod is a perfect decor mod for the fall season as well. Not only can you set up cute little hanging decor, but you can set up pumpkins, spiders, ghosts, and much more. This definitely adds to the fall atmosphere of the spooky season. Last but not least, I would say this is the most season immersive mod for fall, and that's Falling Leaves. That's what it adds to the game. For an even more immersive experience, an honourable mention would be to add ambient sounds. This mod adds loads of sound effects you need in the fall season. I hope I was able to assist you in setting up your server. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!